Hey everyone, ever tried to print a shipping label in the middle of a rush order, only to wrestle with tangled ribbons, clunky drivers, and a printer that looks like it belongs in a 1990s office? Imagine a sleek, pocket-sized device that pops out crystal-clear 4/6 labels at the speed of a click, no ink, no mess, and it talks to your phone, tablet, or laptop the way a Bluetooth speaker does. That's exactly what the JADENS Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer brings to the table. And today we're diving deep into why this little powerhouse could become the secret weapon of every e-commerce entrepreneur, warehouse manager, or DIY crafter. First up, let us talk about the heart of the machine, the Japanese high-tech thermal print head. At 203 DPI, you get razor-sharp barcodes, crisp addresses, and legible product details every single time. Because it's thermal, there's absolutely no ink or toner involved. That means zero cartridge swaps, no drying time, and a dramatically lower cost per label. In real-world terms, if you're shipping 200 parcels a day, you're saving not just money, but also the hassle of keeping a stock of consumables. The printer handles both fanfold and roll labels, covering widths from 1.57 inches up to a generous 4.1 inches. So whether you need tiny SKU tags for inventory or full-size 4/6 shipping labels for carriers like UPS and FedEx, JADENS adapts without a hitch. Now the wireless side. JADENS supports Bluetooth printing for Windows 8 or later in Mac OS, which is a game-changer for desktop-centric workflows. You simply pair the printer, select it in your shipping software, and hit print, no tangled USB cables. For mobile users, the story is a little different, but still solid. Android and iOS can't print directly over Bluetooth, but the free JADENS Printer app bridges that gap. You load your label file into the app, tap print, and the device takes over. I tested it on an iPhone running Shopify's order app, and the label appeared on the printer in under 3 seconds. The slight extra step of opening the app is far outweighed by the freedom to print from the sales floor, a warehouse aisle, or even a coffee shop while you're on the go. Speaking of cables, the printer also offers a reliable USB-C connection that works with Windows 7 and newer, as well as macOS 10.9 and up. This is crucial for legacy systems or when you need a rock-solid wired link for high-volume batches. One tip I discovered after swapping label rolls: press and hold the feed button for a few seconds. The printer calibrates the new size automatically, eliminating the guesswork that plagues many low-cost thermal models. Let us put those features into context with some real-world use cases. Imagine you run a small Amazon FBA business. You receive orders through ShipStation, generate a 4/6 label, and need to print it instantly to keep up with the next order. With JADENS, you can have ShipStation on your laptop, Bluetooth paired, and the label prints in a single tap, no driver installations, no pop-ups. Or picture a pop-up boutique at a craft fair. You're using the JADENS Printer app on an iPad to print price tags and QR codes for inventory tracking on the fly. The thermal technology means the tags won't smudge even if the fair gets sweaty. Even a mid-size warehouse can benefit. Workers equipped with Android tablets can pull a pick list from Ordoro, generate a barcode label, and print it right at the shelf, cutting down on walking time and errors. How does JADENS stack up against the usual suspects? Traditional inkjet label printers like the Dymo Label Writer require expensive ink cartridges and often struggle with the high-resolution barcodes demanded by carriers. Direct thermal competitors such as the Zebra QLN series deliver similar quality, but come with a steep learning curve and a price tag that can exceed $400. JADENS lands in the sweet spot at roughly $120–150, offering comparable 203 DPI resolution, true Bluetooth support, and an intuitive app, all without the need for a dedicated IT team. The trade-off is a modest print speed of about 4 inches per second, but for most small to medium operations that's more than sufficient. Setup is genuinely a 1-minute affair. Plug the USB cable, install the driver from the included U-Disk, or simply pair via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. The package even includes instructional videos and troubleshooting clips, which saved me a lot of time when I first swapped label sizes. And if something does go sideways, JADENS backs you with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support reachable by email, phone, or remote desktop. I've actually spoken with a support rep who walked me through a firmware update in under 5 minutes, a level of service that's rare in this price range. So, to sum it up, the JADENS Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer delivers high-resolution, ink-free printing, flexible label formats, seamless wireless and wired connectivity, and a hassle-free setup that fits perfectly into the fast-paced world of online selling and inventory management. It bridges the gap between cheap consumer printers and industrial-grade solutions, giving you professional results without breaking the bank. If you're ready to streamline your shipping workflow, eliminate ink headaches, and print from virtually any device, click the link below to grab your JADENS